What is that we call? Is it a
Sequence
function or is it a formula?
formula, sir.
Formula.
Formula. So we were discuss about function, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula and what is the difference between formula and the function? Yes, what is the difference between formula and function? We didn't discuss about that. As Aswin, haven't discussed about the formula and the function difference between formula
No, sir.
and function. I think we discussed. Either given sir? Hurry, just go through your book and then read it, understand it, then you will understand. Go through book. I remember that I did that one, but for you, just go through the lesson. You got it? Saswin, did you get that one?
Okay.
Difference between those two? Haven't I discussed that one? තාම හම්බුනේ නැද්ද? Right? I'll explain you, no problem. Just look at here. Right? Now I'm going to tell you difference between formula and the function, right? In Excel. So can you remember that we discuss something like equal sum, right? And equal mean, right? Max, rank, no? And average. Can you remember those things?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that means uh, these are the we call them function. Why do we call function? So this is already programmed. We have not to do anything. It's already programmed and saved in a name, and that we are going to use that one. So that is called functions, right? So when you say sum, right? So you will get only one thing, that what? Only to get the given range, total of a given range, right? So what is the meaning of sum is to get the given range, the total of the given range, right? දෙනලද ප්‍රදේශයේ එකතුව ගන්න එක තමයි එකෙන් කරන්නේ. ඊට හැදයක් අපි එකෙන් කරන්නේ නැහැ. Here also mean means, so we get the minimum value of the cell within the given cell range. So that is the meaning of mean. So something like, so I cannot get a total from this, I cannot get average from this. So this is only for certain purpose, and that is already programmed and saved in the name of this. So those are called functions. So that's why I am saying you, function are the predefined programmed, right? පෙර සකස් කරලා ලියනද තියෙනද program එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද? Functions කියලා. But formula is the thing that we are going to make as our own. Right? Formula is using mathematical symbols. Now what Vihas was telling me was that the formula, right? So formula means we are using plus mark, minus, division, multiplications, or something like those things are using, and we are creating our own way of solving the problem. So that is called what? We call it formula, right? So can you understand the difference between function and the formula? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you write down the way that you can understood? Okay, Sastrika, can you tell me what it, you're writing still, no? Okay, okay, go ahead. Harida, right. Vihas, can you read and tell me what you wrote?
First one is formula, a set
Yes,
of mathematical operations that is inputted by us into the taskbar is known as formula.
that is,
Formula,
no, that is, just read me again.
a set of mathematical operations that
Op,
is
not
inputted
operation, not operation, operators,
that is inputted by us
that is
into the
not, that is
taskbar.
not inputted, that is input, not inputted. There is no word inputted, that is input.
That is input by us into the taskbar is known as formula.
It is not the taskbar, right? So that is not called taskbar, right? It is called formula bar, right? It is called formula bar. Taskbar is in the Windows, right? It is in the Windows. Okay. What about the function?
Uh, Function is the mathematical uh, is a mathematical operator
No, no, no,
which
no, no. It is not the mathematical operation. Function is not the, but not using the operators. Okay, I will tell you again. Wait and listen to me, then you can write down. Sastrika, how did you write? Yes, Sastrika, how did you write?
Sir, I can't understand, sir.
Ah, right. Then Saswin,
Sir,
yes.
I understood what is the formula, but I didn't understand what is the function proper.
Okay, then what you wrote, just tell me.
I only wrote the formula.
Huh?
I only wrote the formula.
Okay, tell me then.
Formula is when we are doing some calculations, we use mathematical operators in spreadsheets to do math.
I can hear you voice by fluttering. Can't hear properly. Something wrong with the, I think, signal. So in a few minutes you can tell me again. Okay. Then Amisha. Anisha, yes. Anisha, how did you write?
Sir, live and
ඇයි ලිව්වේ නැත්තේ?
ඒක ලියන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ sir.
හොඳයි. කෝ දෙල්මි? නෑ පුතා. නෑ. No, not that. Okay, I'll tell you. So can you write down formula? Formula is an equation. Risini, your camera is off. Formula is an equation. Formula is an equation to solve a problem. To solve a mathematical problem. To solve a mathematical problem. With the use of mathematical symbols. With the use of mathematical symbols. With the use of mathematical operators. Example, you can write down example like here, equal a1 multiply by a2 in bracket divide by 2. Okay, just write down as example.
Sir, can you tell it, sir? The board is blurred.
Right, equal within bracket a1 multiply mean extra mark, right? Taru lakunak. A2 close bracket divide by 2. Divide by 2. Right, so then you can go to the next one, function. Okay. Function is a predefined program. Function is a predefined program that uses to solve a problem uses to solve a problem, mathematical problem, solve mathematical problem.
Sir, can you repeat it?
Sir, can you repeat it?
Yes. Dilmi will repeat for you. Dilmi, can you repeat what I said? Dilmi, can you repeat? Dilmi can't speak, no? Right. Amisha, can you read again?
Function is a predefined program that used to solve a mathematical problem.
Very good. Mathematical problem. Solve mathematical problem. Okay. So that are using for specific output. That are used for specific output. That are used for specific output. That means in some the sum function you get the total only. Given cell range you get the total. Nothing else that can do. Only that only the total of the given cell range will be given, only the sum, right? When you say min, so within that given cell range the minimum value will be showing us, right? So that one only can do it, nothing else that can do. So that's why I said the specific task is given to that function. ෆන්ක්ෂන් එකකට පුතා කියන්න උදේ විතරයි, ඊට හදයක් ඒකට කරන්න බෑ. ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ ඒ අරමුණ විතරයි. ඒ අරමුණ සඳහා පමණයි මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක වෙනසින් ලියලා සකස් කරලා සේව් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි ඒවනි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි ඒ අපේ අවස්ථාව ඉෂ්ට කරගන්නේ. So there are a lot of functions are available, not only one, not only 5. What we studied only 5 of them or 6 of them, no. There are thousands of functions are there for according to the different people's wants, right? For example, an engineer wants another purpose, so there are many functions for engineers to use, and there are some many functions for the doctors to use, right? There are many functions for the computer programmers for them to use. So according to their job title, there are many tasks are available, functions are available that they can use and they can do their own functions. Clear? Can you understand what I said? Okay, right. ඔතන්ට එනකම් මොන හරි ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගැටලු ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා අහන්න ඉක්මනට. Do you have any questions on the up to here? Any questions up to here?
No, sir.
No? Okay. If you don't have any questions, shall we move to the next point? I am sure that you may have many problems. If you really do practicals means, then you may have a lot of problems. But if you don't do, mean you don't have any problem. So I ask you to just do it and let me know, right? Remember that we are going to do not because you are paying money, not because you are just your parents are sending here to the class. No, it should your own way, right? You should know it everything. So you ask me if anything is there, right? Any questions? No more?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I just came home. What did you do?
We were discussing about what is the difference between functions and the formula in the Excel, and I just gave uh, the definition of function and the formula,
Okay.
and you may write down once after looking at the video, right?
Okay, sir, I'll watch the recording.
Right, and let me know and ask me. Send me a message. I'll send it to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What else? Others? Yes, Puta. Right? එමනම් අපි ඊළඟ පොයින්ට් එකට යමුද පුතේ?
Okay, sir.
හොඳයි. ඊළඟ point එක තමයි the next point that we have to discuss about the charts, right? So today we have to discuss about charts. In Excel there is another part we call charts. Charts also important point in the Excel. So what is chart and why do we need a chart? Yes, who can tell me what is chart? Yes, what is chart? Vihas? What is this?
Don't know.
No. Saswin? Chart.
Can be used to display spreadsheet data graphical.
Again.
Charts can be used to display spreadsheet data graphical.
Yes, you got some 1 point. Yes. Yeah. Shane, what about your idea about charts? Shane? Shane, බුලත් ටිකක් කනවද? එහෙම නැත්නම් දවල්ට කෑම කනවද? ආ?
නෑ සර්.
එහෙනම් දවල් කෑම කාලේ ඉවරයිද?
ඔව් සර්.
එහෙනම් ඔය බුලත් ටික විසි කරලා දාන්න එහෙනම්. පාඩම වෙලාවේ බුලත් ටික කන්න ගියොත් වෙන්නේ මොකද? පාඩමට අවධානය නැහැ, බුලත් ටික අවධානයම තියෙන්නේ. ඉස්කෝලේත් කන්න දෙනවද බුලත් ටික? නෑනේ. හරි.
බුලත් ඉද නෑ.
එහෙනම් හපන්නේ එහෙනම් බුලත් ටික නම් හපන්නේ වයසක මිනිස්සුම හපන්නේ. මෙහෙම කර අහුවම කර.
chewing gum.
ඒක තමයි එපා කියන්නේ. වයසක මිනිස්සු බුලත් ටික ගාලා තරණ ආය ගන්න chewing gum දෙකම එකයි. හොඳයි. සහස්ත්‍රිකා ඔයා මොනවද හිතන්නේ charts කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා? එයා කියන්නේ හිනාව. එයා හිනා වෙනවනේ හිනාව. හරි පුතා මෙහෙමයි. charts කියලා කියන්නේ charts is a
Can I tell?
yes, of course.
A graphical and visual representation of data.
Very good. Right, good, very good. Graphical and visual representation of if you say data, but it is better to give you the information, right? So data in the sense that you are giving it inside the computer to in order to process and then get the output. So now you are going to see not input things but output things that you are going to take, no graphical way. So it is better to say information rather than data, right? So the charts means that informations are being represented in a way of graphical mode, right? So there are many ways of giving the information to us, right? One is sound, right? One is the audio, and one is the printed matter. No, there are many ways of giving informations. So the in charts means, especially in Excel, there are many data. So data are being processed and get us the information in a graphical way. So by looking at that graphics, we can understand all about the thing that we are going to represent it very quickly, rather than reading a paper. No, rather than reading anything, just looking at the graphical way, we could understand the idea or the information at once, right? At once. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතා යම්කිසි තොරතුරක් අපිට ලිඛිතව ලියලා ඒක කියවලා බලලා තේරුම් ගන්නට වඩා වේගයෙන් ලේසියෙන් අපිට graphic එකක් දිහේ බලලා අපිට ඒක තේරුම් ගැනීමේ හැකියාවක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් charts කියන එක ඉතාල වැදගත් අපිට. right? ඉතාල වැදගත්. okay? So අපි ලියාගමු chart එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. So write down a little about charts. Charts are the charts are the graphical way of charts are the graphical way of charts are the graphical way of representing information representing information representing information which can be which can be which can be සහස්ත්‍රිකා මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියවන්නම ලීව් එක.
Charts are the graphical way of representing information
which can be understand very quickly which can be understand very quickly which can be understand very quickly there are many types of there are many types of charts such as there are many types of charts such as so write down one by one down line one by one එක දෙක තුන දාලා හරි තරු දාලා හරි එකයට කෙලියා ගන්න column charts pie chart pie spelling is here PIE pie charts line chart bar chart area chart scatter chart SCATTER scatter chart etc etc තිත්තිකක් etc there are many charts are available then I will explain you a few charts type and then there is a basic main two categories are there in the charts, right? In charts there are many basic two categories there. That means you have two charts. One is horizontal and vertical both are can be seen in the chart. One type of charts. The other chart is only one side can be seen. දැන් මම මෙහෙම කිව්වට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඇත්තට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒක. හරිද? මෙහෙම කිව්වට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. I will just show you one example. Then you will understand what I mean. Okay? For that we will do like this. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙම දාගන්න පුංචි chart එකක් දාගන්න. say A B C 1 2 3 4 something like maths, science, sinhala, IT, Nimal, Kamal, Amal, right? මේ වගේ chart එකක් හදලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ computer එකේ A B C D E, right? Just draw like this and put some data to here and get ready, so we will discuss that one. Resini මොකද උඩයට මාරු වෙන්නේ?
So,
Resini.
so we should do it in the Excel
Yes, Puta. Yes. Go to your Excel sheet and do this one. So we will do the practically. So you will understand that one. Just put some data also, randomly. The numbers you put some in between 0 and 100 numbers, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
In the A2 column, what's the word that's in the A2 column?
There's some, put some names, Nimal, Kamal, Amal, something names.
Okay, sir.
It doesn't matter what is the name. So I need that data only. Put any name you like. And also the subjects. Just put some 4 subject, whatever, doesn't matter.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, all finish? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, then
Yes, sir.
okay, I will share my screen to you. Give me 1 second. Windows. What is up? Windows. පේනවද නෑ නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට?
No, sir.
What is this? Shit. Now can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this, right, I am going to select Sahasrika. I am going to select තේ එකක් එහෙම බුවන හොඳයි නේ පුතේ.
So the screen is blurred.
Mine.
Yes, sir.
So all of them are same. හැමෝටම පේන්නේ blur වෙලාද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ඩේටා ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න එන. Anyway, can't you see still? It's still blur.
Yes, sir.
Hurry. So everybody is having the Excel sheet like this now.
Yes.
Okay. Go to A1 and click on it and select all the area up to E4. That means all area you have to select. All the area you have to select. Right? From A1 to E4. According to my sheet. So it depends according to yours. Okay. Then after selecting that one, right, you have to go to insert menu, go to insert menu, and then there is a ribbon comes. In that ribbon you get the charts. There are many charts types you can see here. As you can see here in your computer also you can see, right? Okay. So what I want to show you is to just go to the column, click on the column and click the first column bar, click on it. So you will be getting the chart like this, right? According to your, right, you get a chart like this. Okay. So here you get the down. So you down science, maths, Sinhala, ICT you get down, and this side of this you get the colors of Nimal, Kamal, Amal. Right? Nimal shows here in my is blue color. Kamal is, what's the color? Red color. What?
Yes.
Okay. And Amal is green color. Right? Yes. And so all the information about the chart that we typed is being represented here, right? By looking at that, very easily you can understand who is the highest mark and what's the subject that you get the highest subject. No, maths is the highest subject and Kamal is the person who has taken that one. No, by looking at once you can understand the differences of them. Very easy. You know, this is what I want to show is you don't want to understand how to read even. By looking at that, even though if there is a person who doesn't know how to read, right, how to read, even that he can understand. අකුරු කියවන්න බැරි කෙනෙක් හිටියත් එයාට මේක තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ මොනවද කියන්නේ කියලා. That is the important things of charts, right? So it's graphical way, lot of things can be represented, right? Now this is what we call horizontal and vertical, both are being represented here. You can hear maths, science, Sinhala, ICT, these are the subjects. So subjects are also available here, and here Nimal, Kamal, whatever the names are also available here. So that means both the way that we can see from this chart. Okay, that's what I told you in the whiteboard. Horizontal and vertical, both the area can be seen. Can you understand? In whiteboard I said is that my whiteboard එකේ එහෙම කිව්වේ හේතුව ඒක තමයි. Right? And I'll show you the other one. Okay, I just delete this one. Huh? Oh, I can leave somewhere else here. මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලෙහෙන් ගොන් කර දාන්න. I just drag and drop somewhere else here. Okay. Then I go again to the right. Then I select again this one from A1 to E4. Right. Then I go to again to the insert menu. From there you can see here charts are there in the charts types. Then I select the pie chart. Right. I click on the pie chart. I click on the pie chart. I click on pie chart. So can you see here what is happening in pie chart? Here in this pie chart only Nimal information only can be seen. No Kamals, right? Neither no Kamal, no others. Only Nimal's informations. එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ තොරතුරු විතරයි මේකේ කොහොම පෙන්නන්නේ නේ. අනිත් අයගේ තොරතුරු නෑ. But whereas we discussed here in this chart, right? You will understand all the information of all the students. Nimal, Kamal, Amal, all are here. But in this chart, only one person's information, only Nimal's informations are available. Can you understand what I say? මේකෙදි එකයි මම කිව්වේ එක පැත්තක් විතරයි. කියන්නේ එක්කෙනෙක් ගැන විතරයි මේකේ තොරතුරු අපිට පෙන්නන්නේ. Right? But when you go to this chart, you will get all of the people's all of the information. ඔය වෙනස තේරුන්නේ නැත්te කාටද? හැමෝටම තේරුණාද? කාටද ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවද? දෙමිට තේරුන්නේ නැද්ද පුතේ? Right? All of okay? Understood or not yet?
Understood, sir.
Okay, Shastika understood. Anisha?
Understood, sir.
Saswin?
Yes.
Okay, if you all understood, can you write down the difference between those charts and write down then I want to see that one. How did you understand? ඔයාලට තේරුනේ කොහොමද කියලා බලා ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒ නිසා තේරිච්ච ලියා ගන්න බලන්න.
Sir, that means difference between pie charts and column charts?
Actually not the pie chart and the column chart, but there are two types of charts are there, no? So one is, as I showed you in the whiteboard, no? In whiteboard what I show you here in the whiteboard, I was explaining here, Puta, here horizontal,
Yes.
vertical, both the way that can be seen. So one type of charts, and only the one side of the can be seen. That means as pie chart you can see only one person's information. Here all the information can be seen, right? So that means only one side of the means not only pie chart, there are many charts can be, right? So we have to practice and see what are the charts are available, and those charts how we are going to represent the data. Some charts are there, Puta, so that can be used for the representing data, something like this. But by looking at once, we can understand. There is no meaning for us, right? So that because we don't know the method, that because we don't know the technique on that, right? Some doctors may understand it, but not for us. Some engineers can understand that, but not for us. No, it different according to the categories of the persons who are using for those charts, right? But anyway, I want to explain you these two types of charts are available, because in the exams, all over exams also, they will ask you all those two questions. Oral විභාගෙත් මෙන්න මේ දෙකේ වෙනස ගැන ඒගොල්ලෝ අහනවා විවිධ ආකාරයෙන්. එතකොට අපිට එක පැත්තක් විතරක් විස්තර කරන ඒවා පයි chart වගේ chart වලින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. පැති දෙකම විස්තර කරන ඒවා අපිට column chart, bar chart, line chart වගේ වලින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right, can write down. ලියා ගන්න බන්න තේරෙන ආකාරයට. එහෙම chart එක ඇඳගත්තාම අර නම කිව්වහම දන්නවා මොකද්ද මේ chart වර්ගය කියලා. ඒ නිසා රවුමක් ඇඳලා පොඩ්ඩක් ඒ දන්න විදිහට ඇඳගන්න ඉතින්. ඉවරයිද පුතේ?
No, sir.
Okay. Now just turn your textbook. Turn your textbooks page number 27. Page number 27, your textbook. There you find charts. There you find charts.
Want to do that, sir?
No. In that chart, I want to explain you. Here there is a column graph and line charts, pie charts. There are many charts are available. It shows here, right? In page number 27. So what I want to explain you is that those charts can be used to represent an idea and data, like that we did know. So you have to select those information, and you can select one of those charts, right? That's what we were discussing and what are available in the book. Now what you can do is, when you are at home, for practically type some table like that and select those table, and by doing those practicals, right, you have to get understand. For example, select them, select the table, and then go to the line chart, click on it and see how the line chart can be seen, right, whether you can understand or not. So those things you have to do it practically and understand. For example, if you are using area chart, sometimes you will not understand because it's very difficult for us to understand. There are some charts are available, Buddha. When we create that chart, which is very difficult for us to understand, but it is okay for the person who knows about that chart. Okay, right. මේ other charts කියවම charts ආව ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා පුතා. ඒකයි අදහස් කරන්නේ. When you look at the table, then I want to show you another few things about charts. මට මේ charts ගැන තව පොඩි කීපයක් උඩ සාකච්ඡා කරන්න තියෙනවා. ඒ තමයි charts formattings, right? Now I'll select one chart here. Okay, I select it. Once I select this chart like this, and you will find here there are 3 extra menu or 3 extra tabs. One is design tab, the other one is layout tab, the other one is format tab. But those 3 charts, 3 tabs are coming once you select only the charts. If you don't select charts, those tags are not coming. Just see and whether it's coming or not. එහෙම එනවද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න. If you select only the charts, either it's bar chart or by chart or whatever the chart, maybe pie chart or maybe a column chart or maybe whatever the chart, once you select it, then selecting automatically you will find 3 menus are there in the menu bar. If you don't select any chart, those menu bars are disappeared. Here. Is there, tell me? Rishini, is there chart?
Yes.
You got that menus, 3 menu?
Yes, sir.
සාස්ත්‍රිකාට නම් මෙනු 3 ආවනේ නේද සාස්ත්‍රිකා? Saswin,
Sir, I also got.
you didn't get it?
Sir, I got it.
You got it, right. Anisha?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Malitu?
Yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
What did you get it? What did you get it? What did you get? Malitu, what did you get?
Sir, can you say it again? I can't hear
What
you
did you
properly.
get? I said, did you get it? Yes. Then I am asking you, what did you get there? මෙහෙමයි පුතේ දැන් ඔතන මට පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ මෙහෙම සිලෙක්ට් කරපුවාම හරිද අපිට මෙනු තුනක් එනවා මේක සිලෙක්ට් කරොත් විතරයි එන්නේ දැන් ඔය සිලෙක්ට් කරපුවාම අපිට මෙනු තුනේ එන්නේ ඒ පිළිබඳව විවිධ දේවල් කරන්න බලන්න අපිට for example once I select it right if I want to put a background for this any color so right click on the background then go to the format chart or say there is a yeah even go like this and you put fill color or solid color or gradient color whatever the color you want right so mixing color you can put it so how did you get that I'll show you again right select the charts right okay right click on it and then go to the chart format charts here so once you click on format chart and you will find this one right we call it format chart area so where you get lot of options are here in the fill there is a chart called fill so click on fill and then there are gradient solid color there are many colors select on gradient color you can see that gradient means mixing color right just do it and see now
Sir, shape fill.
not shape fill color when you go to fill you get there are many types of filling no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture fill, something like. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
එතකොට ඔක්කොන්ට මේක ආවද? So select again, I will tell you. Now, so what I was selecting is the background of the area, no? Now you select the, if you want, you can select that the chart area. Here, this is chart area. Select, right click on it, right, and go to format area, format. Then again you will see that fill chart. So select any chart you want here, right? Any color you can select out of any color. And if you want any gradient color, you can mix in gradient color, right? Whatever the color you want, something like. And those colors also can be adjustable, right? Okay, can you do that also? මාත් එක්කම මම කියනවත් වගේම කරන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් මාරු ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. Right, otherwise you will miss with me. So you all have to go with me, and then if there is any errors, any doubt, just let me know so I can explain you. Otherwise we will miss. Risini, don't you have a computer?
Finish, sir.
You are using?
Finish, sir.
Finish. Very good.
Sir? Excuse me, sir.
හරිද මොනාරි ගැටලු තියෙනවද? ගැටලු තියෙනවද පුතේ ඔයගලන්ට මොනාරි?
Sir, in my one, I can't do it. No, so it just
Then you can
adding some points.
okay, what you can do is you can share it. Let me know. I will give you a chance to share it. Wait.
Okay, sir, I'll share.
Wait, I want to give you the permission. Okay. Granted. Can you share it and see what will happen?
Sir, when I just right click in it and
Oh.
select in format,
Not format.
it just
It is not the format. Yeah, it's down. There is fill. Okay, go ahead.
yeah, sir, but it doesn't doing it. No.
No. No, again go right. No, right click. No, not that one. Not that place. All right. Okay, right. You are moving that one. Okay, click it.
This
Yes. පුතා ඔය තියෙන්නේ ඔය මේකට horizontal vertical background area එක නෙමෙයි.
okay, sir.
ඔයා select කරන්න හරියට මේ area එක ඔයා වෙන එකක් ගන්නෙ. ඔළුවට.
It is coming like this, sir.
Moment. I think your selection area is something wrong. Just right click. No, you have to select the chart. Then right click on the same place. Okay. Right.
It coming like this, sir.
Format. There are some options down, Puta.
Yeah, sir, I tried. When
Data.
I did it, it just colored these items and this,
That means you are
this and
selecting
this.
that means you are selecting those things. That's the background. You have been selected only that area only. Okay, what we can do is just create another chart and do it and see.
Same, sir.
එහෙම ආවේ නැද්ද පුතේ?
No, sir, I created a new one. It doesn't happen.
ඔය තියෙන ෆීල් වල උඩ ෆේල් අන්න එක. I think
No,
something
sir.
wrong with your format, something wrong with your Excel sheet then.
Yes, sir, I also think it.
Yeah. What about others? Vihas, what about came or not?
So my one came and I modified it to my liking color.
Okay, no problem. What about Shane?
I'm still doing it, sir.
Change.
I
Right.
changed.
Anisha, what happened?
No problem, sir.
Okay, there is another one. I'll explain you. Just look at here. Uh, බැරිද? පුරුදු
Finish, sir.
හරිද පුතේ? එහෙනම් දැන් බලා ගන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. මෙතන හරිද? දැන් උදාහරණයක් වශයෙන් අපි හිතමුකෝ මේ කමල්ගේ පාට මේ පාට කියලා. මේ කමල්ගේ පාට මට කමල්ගේ මේකුඩ ක්ලික් කරන්න. Just select on Kamal's icon, right? Only one time you have to select it. එකපාරයි click කරන්නේ. Then right click on that and again go to the format data. Then you have to fill color, go to the fill color, and then you can select the color that you want also. So that also can be adjustable, modified. Okay, I just put like this color, right? So I can change the color of that bar, right? So ඒ bar එකේ color එකත් වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන් අපිට ඒ වගේ. ඒකට අපිට කැමති color එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්, කැමති photo එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්, right? Even a picture you can put as a bar, right? And also, for example, if I take the Amal one here, so I select on Amal's one, so all the bars are selecting from Amal's. What I want to do is, I don't want all the bars to be same as it is. I need only the ICT. I wanted to specialize Amal's ICT bar. So again, now only one time I click means all the bars of the Amal's will be selected. Again you select on IT, that means only IT bar will be selected, others deselected. කීප එක තේරුණාද? එකපාරක් මං ගිහලා මෙහෙම ක්ලික් කරොත් අමාල්ගේ බාර් ඔක්කොම සිලෙක්ට් වෙනවා. හරිද? ආයෙමත් ICT කියන එකේ අමාල් ක්ලික් කරපුවම ඒක විතරක් සිලෙක්ට් කරලා අනිත් ඔක්කොම ඩිසිලෙක්ට් වෙනවා. Then you right click on it and you can fill the color whatever you want. Only for that, right? Only for that you can make any modifications or any changes, something like. See here. So that ICT of Amal's bar is different than the others Amal's bar. Clear? Can you understand? So Amalge ICT එක විතරක් වෙන කලයකුත් අනිත් ICT වලට අනිත් science maths වලට Amalge එකම කලයකුත් දාන්නත් පුළුවන් අපිට වගේ. එම ස්පෙෂලායිස් කරන්න ඕන නම් ස්පෙෂලායිස් කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. right? ඔයගන්ට පේන්නේ නැහැ නේද අර බාර් එක නිසා. මේක නිසා. ඉන්න මම පොඩ්ඩක් එහාට කරලා පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයගලන්ට. දැන් පේනවද? ඔයගලන්ට දැන් පේනවා ඇති අමල්ගේ ICT බාර් එක චේන්ජ් වෙලා තියෙනවා, අනිත් විෂයන් වල එකම බාර් එක තියෙන්නේ නේද? ඔන්න ඔය වගේ පුතේ අපිට පුළුවන් හරිද මේ charts අරගත්තාම අපිට ඕන විදිහට chart එක වෙනස් කරන්න. පුතා ඔය දේම අපිට පුළුවන් ඔය විදිහටම ඕනම chart එකකට. Any chart we can apply for that. Even pie chart, bar chart, line chart, column chart, the what pyramid charts, there are many charts are there. So once you select the chart, there are 3 menus coming. For that we can change. There are a lot of changes can be done. Not only one, not only the coloring, but there are, for example, I want to put the value of those bar in top of that. So I select them, right? I select it. Then you go to the layout. Once you go to layout, you data label here in the layout menu. You get the data label here. Click on it, and you can get the data labels on top of the like this. See here. Down you can put the data label, right? If you don't want, you can again erase it, right? Then you can put the data label on top of that even. This legend can move here and there. So there are many adjustable things are there. You have to do it practically and see. ලබන අවුරුද්දේ මේක අපි in detail සාකච්ඡා කරනවා මේ වගේම. Next year for grade 10 you will be having all those things and we will study more on that, right? And I will give some activities to do. ලබන අවුරුද්දේ අපි මේ වගේ දේවල් මේක කරනවා, මේකට activities එක අපි සාකච්ඡා කරමින් ඉස්සරහට යනවා like next year. Okay? Right. මම හිතනවා අදට අපිට ඇති ඔය chart කියලා. So next week I hope to have a small test on lesson number 1 and 2 and if possible 3, right? Small test either in oral or practically or else a paper I will give you so that you will do it. Okay? Any questions for you to ask? මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද අහන්න?
Sir, I need to change the version, sir, right? To solve that problem.
Yeah, not because of the version, something wrong with your software. I think you can
Yes.
you can either reinstall it, it will be okay, or else you can change whatever, doesn't matter.
Okay, sir, do it.
Vias, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
When we are colored, if you want to color the numbers on top of the column charts above numbers, we can do the same as selecting a column and like that, sir.
Yes, yes, you can. You can, but the problem is you have to do it and practically and do it and see. You can do it, but then I'll have to show you how to do that one. Otherwise, you can do just practical. Go and see, go through all the menus and then find it. You will find everything.
Okay, sir.
It can be done.
Thank you.
It can be done.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Sir, in the pie charts, sir, we just only they saw only the informations about Nimal. It means can.
Yeah, we can change Nimal to Kamal or whatever that doesn't matter. We have to select then and do it. Now, for example, now it has come Nimal now. If you want to see Kamal's information, then just select on the Kamal's information and do the fly chart. So it will be coming.
Okay, sir.
That's what you want to ask me, no, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Not only that, Puta, we can do the other way also. If I want to get the all about maths information, maths කියන එක අරගෙන maths කියන විෂය තනියම අරගෙන ඒ විෂය කරපු ළමයින්ගේ තොරතුරු ගන්නත් පුළුවන් අපිට. ඔක අනිත් පැත්තත් පුළුවන් ඕන්න. දැන් කමල් ගත්තා, කමල් කරන විෂයන් ගන්න කිව්වා වගේම තමයි එක විෂයක් ගත්තාම ඒ විෂය කරන අනිත් ළමයින් ගැන තොරතුරු ඒ විදිහට ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. තේරෙනවද? Either way. But only one thing, only all the information about one only. pie chart එකේ වෙන්නේ මොකක් හරි දෙයක එක දෙයක් ඒකේ ඔක්කොම තොරතුරු හොයන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. ඒකයි. ඒක horizontal වෙන්න පුළුවන්, vertical වෙන්න පුළුවන්. තාමන හරි ගැටලු තියෙනවද පුතාලා? ඔක ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා බලන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට මොන හරි ඉෂුස් තියෙන කොලයක ලියලා තියාගන්න අමතක වෙයි නම් කොලයක ලියලා පොත අස්සේ දාලා තියාගන්න. ඊළඟ දවසේ ක්ලාස් එකට ආවම අපි සාකච්ඡා කරමු මේ ප්‍රශ්න ටික. එතකොට හරි. Okay? Right. Shall I stop then, Puta? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
sir.
බුල්සර්ණයි ජෙසුපීටයි මම ආයෙමත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ
Goodbye.
ඔක්කොම සුබලුත් අවුරුද්දක් කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා පුතේ. ගෙවලලාට
Same
කියන්න
here.
මං කිව්වයි කියලා.
Happy New Year, sir.
Okay,
God
God
bless.
bless you.
God bless, sir.
God bless.